How to listen to Spotify offline. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can listen to Spotify offline, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To listen to Spotify offline, you need to be able to download the songs, but to download the songs you need to have Spotify Premium. So if you don't have a premium subscription, you will not be able to, of course, go ahead and then actually listen to Spotify offline. So you can come to the premium tab here. Make sure you have got premium. Now in my case I don't have it, but I'll still show you the option. After that, once you go to your playlist, or maybe you play a certain song over here, whenever you play that particular song, you'll actually see the download button inside of that song. You can just tap the three dots option, you'll find the download option, or inside that playlist also you'll find a little download icon over here where you can simply select download and then just make sure to download the songs. This way you should be able to listen to Spotify offline. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.